Hey Galaxy users, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a GIF using any video in your phone. Now the first thing you'll want to do is make sure edge panels are turned on because we're going to need Smart Select enabled on our phone. So we can go into our settings, let's go down to display. You're going to scroll down and you're going to select edge screen. Make sure edge panels are turned on. When you go into edge panels, you'll want to at least make sure Smart Select is available. There are other edge panels in here as well, but right now we just need Smart Select. I'm going to go to the home screen, and now that we have Smart Select, you'll see we have GIF Animation there. We're going to go into our gallery. Now if you don't, you can find whatever video you want. I'm going to select videos here. And then I'm going to scroll down to this video here. And you can see it's actually one of the gorgeous ports down in South Texas. But I'm going to play that using my edge panel. So select the video you want, scroll over, swipe over until we have Smart Select selected, select GIF Animation. We can make this as big as we want. I'm going to select the top there to move it around. We can make it more square, less square. I'm going to do square. We're going to do square here. Right there. And you can select your box wherever you want. And you can make it long or small, however you want it. Seat it where you want it. Now before you hit record, you'll want to hit play video. So I'm going to hit the play on the video. And then I'm going to hit record. Let that go for just a few seconds. Hit stop. And it's going to save that GIF. Just a small 4-second GIF for you to send to friends and family. Once you're done with that, you have an edit option here, and share and save. So if you want to hit edit, you can draw on it, do whatever you want. I don't need to do any of that. Let's go back. Cancel. Let's undo that. Undo that. Undo. There we go. I'm just going to save that. And now you have a GIF in your gallery. You'll see I now have a new GIF. So that's just an easy way to create a GIF in your Galaxy S10. Guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one.